shall not perish from earth. Do you see how this connects back to the Lincoln Memorial? Yes. This gives you some information on. So the students transitioned back to their desk, and we went to the smart board. We're still working on the same skill, which is identifying text features and citing the evidence. We're back to whole group now, so it just offers more support as we continue with this skill. Of course, everything available in a hard copy with the Wonders reading program is also available digitally. The students we'd go back to the text, find the evidence, and I would highlight or underline the evidence. How can you tell that this is informational text? I want some proof. I want you to give me some evidence. Tell me how. How can you prove this is informational text? Not what you think, not an opinion, a fact. Fiction can have a main idea. So I don't know if I totally agree with that. How do you know this is informational? How do you know? Naria? No. That's not giving me enough information. How about that? Add to that. Come up with some more. Clark? Realistic fiction can have details, right? But how do you know that this piece, this small section, this text is informational? Isaiah? Nope. Let's try Cameron.
Because it tells us about the Lincoln Memorial.
It gives us details about the Lincoln Memorial, which is nonfiction. Is that correct? Is it true?
Yes.
Can we prove that the Lincoln Memorial exists?
Yes.
Yeah, you can go visit it. You can read about it. You can find photos. Question number 2. What text feature is included? What text feature is included in this story? 2 things you're going to do right now. You are going to complete the activity that's on your level card that will be on your desk. You are also going to take out your practice book and find the activity on the back, but I want you to do it independently, and I want you to use the table of contents. Naria, I'd like you to pass out some paper, please, and I need a few helpers. Kevin, this goes on table 7. You only need to complete the activity with the arrow. This goes on table, nope. I want this one on table 6. Table 5. Janae, come here, please. I want this on table 5. I want table 1 at the reading table. You don't need any materials at all. Table 1 is the reading table. And I want you guys to immediately start with your informational text, main ideas, and details. 1 rule for a small group. Again, when I am with the small group, Blake, what happens when I'm with the small group? Independently, okay? Go ahead and get started. Everybody, this one is original. I don't know how that happened. Thank you.
Yes, right here, so no, we don't. No, we don't.
The level station activity cards that I'm passing out, the workstation activity cards that I'm passing out would normally already be at the students' tables, but because I was using them a little differently, if you notice the little pink sheet of paper, the arrow, this was the first time I had given them a choice. And so I wanted to hold it up and show them exactly what to look for when they were selecting the activity that they decided to complete. Also, you'll see them working in their Your Turn practice book. The activity on the smart board, when we identified, when we cited the text evidence about the land feature, they're going to complete that exact same assignment in the practice book. Now, the activity that they're working on in their practice book, you can also access that same activity for the approaching level students and the above level students. But because we had done it as a whole group, I wanted everyone to complete it at grade level.